Hello, welcome back to Baking in Quarantine. Today we will be making 3-ingredient cake mix cookies. You will need cake mix, 2 eggs, a half cup of oil. Pour the cake mix in a bowl. Now, crack 2 eggs. And I show you how to do it with one hand. So you hit it and then you just split it with your fingers. And then you mix that up. Then half cup of oil. Then you mix all that together until it's well combined. Now add sprinkles. These are optional. You don't have to add them, but I did. Now you're going to spray a pan and put balls of cookie dough onto the pan. Now bake them at 350 for 12 minutes. Hope you enjoy your cookies. Bye. See you next time on Baking in Quarantine. Bye.